This conference will now be recorded.
Okay guys, let's get started. So we need to start setting up our SCCM lab. So either you can laptop or desktop, or you can choose cloud uh, setup. Okay, for cloud there are many players in the market like AWS, then you have Google Cloud, then you have Azure, then you have private cloud. We'll go on Azure. uh, Azure is what? Azure is a public cloud. Okay, anyone can create uh, their resources. You just have to go to the subscription process. Once you have subscribed, then you can create your resources. So we have taken which one? We have taken the free trial account. Okay, free trial account. Now in free trial, how much um, we get somewhere around 200 US dollar credit. Okay, this credit we get in our uh, free trial account. So if you in your local currency, basically if you are in Canada, you get 250. If you are in India, you get 13,300, equivalent to 200 US dollar credit. Now in 200 US dollar credit, that will be valid for 30 days. Okay.
Okay.
Now that 200 credit you can utilize to create resources. So in Azure, you can create resources like you can create virtual machines, right? You can create your virtual network, then you can create your disk snapshot, right? There are many things which you can do, but what we have to do, we need to choose our data center first. So Azure got many data center all over the globe. As you see here in this picture, this is Azure geographical locations, right? The data center locations. So you see the dots, US, West US 2, right? This is located in, this data center is located in West US 2. Then West Central US, West US, right? Then you have in Brazil, then you have in Europe region, then you have in Asia Pacific region, then in Australia, India. So Azure got many data center all over the globe, somewhere around um 20 or 25 data centers in different locations. Now you need to choose the data center, which data center you need to take. What is a data center, right? Can anyone tell me? Hmm? Data center will look
Where
like,
you put all your physical servers and all that, the storage, all the
right.
physical machines.
So data center will look like this inside data center. When you go inside the data center, you will have like big rooms, and inside the rooms you will have big racks, and inside racks you will have servers, right? And that server will have somewhere around 1000 gigabyte of RAM. Then you will have like hundreds of you know uh, 1000 TB hard disk, then processor, RAM. You will have physical machines like that, and then you can utilize those machines. You can create your virtual machines remotely, and your machines will be hosted on those on the data center itself, on that data center, whatever the data center you choose, right? So either you set it up locally, or you take public cloud and you create your resources there. So we will use Azure, right, as I mentioned here. And which data center should we choose? So normally we choose data center which is closest to us, plus which gives more feature, plus which is cheaper. These are the three things which we have to keep in mind while choosing the data center. First is what? It has to be close. Second, close means it should not be far away, right? Because we will get good network connectivity. Second, it should be cheaper. If you compare with other data center, right, it should be cheaper than other data center. Then the third thing what you have to keep in mind is the feature. Whatever the feature you want, those features are available or not, right? So in production environment, we we suppose you are in India, right? Then what will you do? You will look for this West India or Central India or a South India. Depends. If you are in Canada, right? So then you will choose like Canada Central or Canada East somewhere. We will go with West US. Why we will go with West US? Because West US is cheaper. It's not close though. It is not close, but it is cheaper and it gives a feature. Whatever the feature we want, it is it has that feature. Understood? That's the only reason we are using West US. Now, once the data center is location is defined, we have to then create create virtual network. We need to create network like this. You know, this will be a network, and then we will create 4 machine like this, 4 virtual machine, right? The second one, 4 virtual machine. One will be your DC domain controller, second one will be your database, third one will be your SCCM, and the fourth one will be your client Windows 10 machine, right? And all will be connected to the same LAN network. They will be connected to the same LAN network so that they can communicate to each other. Is it clear, guys? Everyone? The IP address of these machines will be like 10.0.0.4, right? 10.0.0.5, 10.0.0.6, 10.0.0.7, something like that, you know, in uh, in a sequential order. Okay, all good, guys. I am gonna make Ajaz as a presenter, and then we'll proceed further. Okay. Now, those who are on Azure, you also need to follow the same step. What you do, you put the screen into two, you know, in half like this. I'll show you how will you have to perform. You put the screen like this. Half of the screen you can watch, and another half of the screen, yeah, you put the screen like this. Yeah, so half of the screen you can put your GoToMeeting, another half you can go on Azure Portal and perform the task. Okay, that way you can complete side by side. Now I'm gonna make Ijaz as the presenter. Ijaz, I made you presenter. Can you share your screen with everyone?
Yeah. Oh, you got it? No, sorry.
You need to
Wrong
share
machine.
your screen. Yeah. You have option, screen option. You click on share a screen. Yes, now we
Yeah,
can
I
see your
did that.
screen. Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Now what I want you to do is you need to open a new tab on Google Chrome. Open
Hang
a new
on,
tab
Kasha.
on Google Chrome.
Hang on, Kasha. So
No, you have 2 monitors or what?
2 monitors. Yeah.
So put it here. We can see your email, Azure subscription email.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
There you can see.
open a, yes, open a new tab here in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Yes. Yeah, bring it here on this screen.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now you need to click on go to the portal, or you type in portal.azure.com. That is the website link. Once the
Go to,
subscription is ready, you have to go to portal.azure.com. Okay, type in portal.azure.com in the browser, in the address.
so I'm already in, so go to the portal, right?
Yeah. So this is Azure Portal, right? You have already taken the subscription for 1 month, and that is free of cost.
I gave my credit card number, so is it okay, right?
That is
They took me-
okay. It's Microsoft, so you can trust it. Don't worry about it. The only thing is, after 30 days, it will get expired. You got $260. How much?
Okay,
260. You see
it's
the right hand
$60.
side, 260. Let me take control, and I'll just give
Okay,
you a little bit
no
more
problem,
understanding.
no problem.
Yeah. Can you give me
Give
control,
control.
please? Thank you. So guys, this is Azure Portal, and the website address is portal.azure.com. And here, when you subscribe, you get the uh, in your local currency, you get equivalent to 200 US dollar. So 200 US dollar is equal to 260 Canadian dollar. This is Canadian dollar, guys. Okay. Those who are in India, they will get 13,300. Okay, equivalent to 200 US dollar. Now from today is what? Today is
10th of
10th of December. So it will get expired on 10th of
January.
9th of January. 9th of January itself, it will get expired, because it is yeah, December 31st, right? So
Correct.
9th of January, it will get expired. So we have to complete all the topics before 9th of January. Okay. Now,
Okay.
the first thing first, what we have here is we need to create a resource group. So open a notepad. Let me open a notepad here. Save as, and I'm gonna put it on the desktop.
Yeah.
SCCM daily notes. Okay, we'll write down the steps of for all the practical what we are gonna do. So format, font, 18 is good. Today is what? Today is, for me it is 11th, but for you it is 10th, right? So first of all, we have to choose data center, right? So we'll go with West US. Okay, West US. Why we are going to West US? Because West US gives us, it's not closer, for you it is closer, but for us it is not close. It is far away, but it has good feature, plus it is cheaper. Okay.
Yeah.
Second one, we need to do what? We need to create resource group. What is a resource group? Resource group is a container, like a box. Inside that box, we will create resources like network, subnet, address, then get virtual machine. Everything will be a member of that resource group. Understood? So that in case if you have to delete everything, you just delete the resource group, and everything inside that resource group will get deleted. Understood?
Yeah.
It's like a big container. Inside that container, I am putting all the resources, like a bag. Okay. So I need to create a resource group. So there is a option, search resources, services, and docs. So whatever the things you would like to search, you can search it here. Let's say you want to search a resource group, you type in resource group, and it will give you search result like this. It's a dynamic search. The moment you start typing, it will give you the result below. Then if you want to search for virtual machine, you type in virtual machine. So you have all these options available. Understood?
Yeah.
So we need to search resource group, ROESOURCE, resource groups. Okay. So everyone, those who are Azure, you need to search for resource group. Okay, and go to the resource group. Now you have option add, manage view, refresh. You will need to go to add. So Ejaz, I'll give you the control. Now you try the step.
Okay.
Click
Add.
on add. Yeah.
Yeah, I did that.
Now the subscription is free trial. That's okay. We will leave that as it is. Resource group name. What name would you like to keep for this? So I'll go with RG, capital R, capital G, resource group underscore West US. One word. This resource group will be in West US, this container. West US. Clear? Now below, select West US. West
US2,
US.
West US, Central.
Not, no. West US. We are not VA, West US. No, two.
This one, right? West US.
Just the West US. You see that? It does.
Yeah,
You have taken effect.
this one, right?
Yes, West US. This is the one
Yeah.
you have to West US. US, West US. Now this data center is located in California Center.
Your voice is breaking, Kashif.
Is my voice clear, guys? No?
It's breaking sometimes.
Guys, is my voice clear, or
It's okay now.
is it for everyone, or only for Ijaz?
No, it's breaking, Kashif. But
Anup
Yeah, it's
and
breaking.
other guys. But now is it good, or is it still
Yeah,
breaking?
it's good now. It's good.
Hmm?
now it's good.
And Kashif,
Okay.
I'm selecting Asia Pacific South India, like, or should I select US West?
South India, you can also select. That's not a problem. But I have not checked the feature in South India, because
Okay, okay,
some locations will not give you uh, one core processor and 3.5 gigabyte RAM. Okay,
okay,
that's the
okay.
reason
Maybe
I'm
I'll go
choosing
with
West.
okay, I'll go with US West. Yeah,
Yeah, anything. It is just the location, right?
yeah. Okay,
The process is same whether you choose South Asia or India or US. So West US is the one which we have selected. Then review plus create. Everyone, let's go review plus create. At the left hand side, you have review plus create.
Review and create. Okay.
Yes, and create. Click on create.
Yeah. Like,
No, you have to click on create. Just you have
sorry.
option create.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, so that's the thing. What we have done is the resource group we created. Okay, clear everyone? So that point number 2 is done. Point number 3 is create virtual network. Because without network, you will not be able to connect
Do
to the
anything.
machines, right? So we
Correct.
have to have a network. It's just like you are setting up a new office. So first of all, what you need the construction, building construction, and then you need electricity, and then you need to have network connection, right? So we need to create network connection. So let's go ahead and search on the top search virtual network. virtual.
This one, right?
Yes, virtual network. Okay. Now click on add. Add. Now the resource group is the same resource group, the one which we just created, RG_West US. So we will put everything inside this resource group. Got it?
Okay.
Name VNet_West US. VNet
Underscore.
West US. Can you type in?
VNet like that.
Yes,
Underscore.
West. And down at the bottom you have review plus create. Just click on review plus and you have to click on create.
Yeah, it's coming. It's creating, I think, so running final validation.
Now it's validating, and now you will have to option to create. Yeah, create.
Yeah.
So virtual network is getting created now. Okay. So at the right hand side, there is a bell icon, right?
Yeah.
A notification icon, which says, you see, resource group created successfully, right? Now the second one says success. This one is also success. The deployment of this virtual network
Because
to the
can we
resource
move
group.
this screen? I cannot see the options. Hang on.
You have option to shrink. There is a arrow. There are two arrows which is pointing face to face. Here, you can shrink that.
Okay, here.
Done?
Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah.
Okay. So you see it is done. The deployment of virtual network is also done, right?
Okay.
So let's search for virtual network. And choose the virtual network. You see, VNet_West US network is created, right? This network
Yeah.
is ready now. Now we have to create virtual machines. That's the fourth
Number 4.
point. Create virtual machines. How many machines we need to create? 3
4.
servers and 1 client machine. Okay.
3 servers, 1 client.
Yes.
Okay.
3 servers and 1 client. So 3 server, one will be your database, second one will be your domain, third one will be your SCCM server, and the fourth one will be your Windows 10. Windows 7. We'll go with Windows 7. Okay.
Is there any particular reason
Clear,
for
everyone?
Windows 7?
Because I will show you how to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10.
Okay. Got it.
So let's go to virtual machine. Search virtual machine now.
This one, first one, right?
Yes. Yes, virtual machine. Add. On the left hand side, you have add virtual machine. So in the backend, it is running on HyperV. Okay, whatever you are doing, it is taking the command to HyperV, and then it is performing those tasks. There is a template in the backend. Whatever the template you choose here, right? You choose, let's say, Ubuntu. So Ubuntu template is there. If you choose Windows Server 2019 data center, there is a template. So all the templates are ready. You just choose, and then that server will spin up in few minutes. Okay.
Make life easy
Now,
now.
the first thing,
Yeah, that makes life easy, right?
yeah. So first thing, resource group. We need to choose the resource group RG_West US, right? Because that's the resource group. Everything will go inside this one. Now, virtual machine name. The first machine name is gonna be database. Okay, database server. Clear?
So
West US,
first machine database. Okay.
right? West US is the region. I'll leave that as it is. I don't need to touch that. Image, the Windows Server. We need Windows Server 2019, the latest one. We'll go with the latest one, Windows Server 2019 data center. Clear? Then when you go down, you have size. Here you can choose the size. I'm gonna click on that and choose 1 CPU and 3.5 RAM. Which one? 1 CPU and 3.5 RAM. Because in free trial, you have to, you can't create more than machines. So basically you get 4 processor. Total in free trial, you get 4 processor. So one processor, I'm utilizing it here. Then I will have 3 more processor left. I will be using those 3 processor for another 3 machines. Clear?
Yeah.
Now username, let's say Ijaz. Okay.
Yeah.
And the password. Password, you can anything of your choice. I would suggest to use capital PASSWORD @123. Let's try this one. Okay. So that is the password and the username. So I'm gonna save that so that it will be here. So Ijaz virtual machines credential. Okay. So
Yeah.
for you can save it on the notepad. I saved it. This notepad is saved on the desktop. Okay. Now 3389 is the port number because we need to connect to this machine remotely, right? So 3389 is the port number through which we can remotely connect, because it's not possible for us to go to the California data center, West US. We can't go to we can't go there physically. Rather, we have to log in remotely. So in order to log in remotely, we need a port number, port 3389. That has to be enabled in that computer. Got it?
That is
3389
fixed.
is,
3389 is fixed.
yes,
RDP.
for remote. Yeah, for RDP 3389. And then you have to click on review plus create. It's gonna cost you this one, 0.1613 Canadian dollar per hour. If you use this server for 1 hour, it will cost you this, not from your credit card. It will cost from this 260 US
$60.
Canadian dollar. This from the cart. In the
Yeah.
cart you got this one in the wallet, right?
Yeah.
So from here it will deduct the money. Okay, not from your
Okay.
credit card. So create. Okay, for the first 30 days it will cost you this amount from your card. After first 30 days, then it will start charging you from your credit card. Then after first 30 days, it will get disabled. It will ask you to continue or disable. So you can disable that. So it won't charge anything from your credit card. Clear?
Yeah.
So the first machine is getting ready. Which machine? Database. So we have to create 3 servers, right? So one server is done. We have to create 2 more servers. So we have to repeat the same step. So let's go back to virtual machine again and repeat the same step for the next machine, and that is domain. So I'll give you control. You do it. Click on add virtual machine. Resource group RG_West US.
That's always
Then
same.
yes, always everything will go under that one. Otherwise, you will have connection problem because you are putting it in 2 different container. Now, virtual machine, name, domain. This is going to be our domain controller. So type in domain.
Region, same.
Region
No
same.
interest.
Image will be your Windows Server
So
2019.
availability options, nothing.
No, nothing. It will, yeah.
Images,
Windows Server 2019.
Windows Server 12,
19.
Yeah,
Okay. 1 CPU and 3.5 RAM.
same.
Yeah, same.
The name
Ijaz and same password. You can just copy the password from Notepad and paste it here.
PASS password 123.
No, copy the password from Notepad and paste
Okay.
it here. Simple. Both the boxes. Done. Review plus create. And create.
Validation passed. Create.
So second one machine is getting ready. Now the third machine we have to create. Let's
So
wait
for the
for
RDP, it's the same
same
3389.
3389 will be there for all the machine. Now the third machine. Let's go to virtual machine again. Search for virtual machine. Same resource group. RG underscore West US and the virtual machine SCCM PS, capital SCCM PS, primary site. This is gonna be our primary site server. Okay. Windows Server 2019 data center. Image.
SCCM PS.
Windows Server 2019 data center. No, that's okay. Yeah. Ijaz and the password. Password you have already copied. You just type in username and paste the password in both these boxes. Paste it. Paste it. And then review plus create. And create. Done?
Yeah, the last one now.
Yeah, last one Windows 7 machine. So let's search virtual machine again. Add. Resource group RG underscore West US. Now virtual machine client 1. CLIENT 1. Very good. Now you need to select Windows 7, but Windows 7 is not here. So click on browse all public and private images. Yeah. Search for Windows 7 here. No. Yeah, here in the search for market. Yeah, search marketplace. Type in Windows space 7. Search. Hit enter. Yeah, that will give you Windows 7, I think. Yeah, the
Yes.
first one. Yeah, Windows 7. Okay. 1 CPU and 3.5 RAM is there. Ijaz and the password.
So it didn't select.
No, nothing. 1
Yeah.
CPU is. Below you have to choose this box. I confirm I have an eligible Windows 10 license. Check that box. And now review plus create.
Why we didn't choose this in before, right? Okay,
In the
Windows 10.
server, yeah,
Yeah.
because we have to go to Windows 10 eventually. Create.
And create.
Yeah. So if you keep your, it's like electricity bill, guys. If you keep your servers and machines turned on, it will cost you that much amount, 0.1613 Canadian dollar. So when you are not utilizing your resources, make sure you stop them, turn off. Okay.
Once you're done, just turn it off. Yeah.
Yeah, stop. So
Okay.
that
So
way you will be able to save your credit. Okay.
yeah. So just close
Any
that, right?
I'll guide you how to do that. Okay, I'll guide you. Any questions so far? Anup, Aditya, Ola,
No.
Sushad? Hmm? So those who are going on
So far, so good.
local, yeah, those who will go on local, I have already sent email. You need to download those things and keep your servers ready. You know, you download VM virtual machine. I think I sent you VMware, no? What did I send? Your subscription. Yeah, I have sent VMware. You need to download VMware. You need to download Windows Server 2019. You need to download SQL Server. You need to download SCCM setup. Got it?
Yeah.
Kashif, actually, I didn't receive the mail.
Didn't read the mail. Okay, no worries. You can do it later on, not now because download will take time. But you make sure before tomorrow you download and keep it ready. The server, at least the server. Make sure that the servers are ready.
Sorry, Kashif, actually, I didn't receive the mail in my
You didn't
mailbox.
receive email.
Yeah.
Can you check in spam? Is it gone to spam or something?
Yeah, it is there. Got it.
Okay.
Kashif, how do I remove my credit card options? Actually, by mistakenly, I have added my credit card option in my official account.
Mm-hmm.
So it got actually that was my login was there already, so I didn't check while giving the card. Actually, I have selected pass as you go option, I think.
You have selected pay as you go.
Yeah, pay as you go.
No, did you get 13,300 or no?
Oh no, actually, I got $1 deducted from my account now.
Yeah, that is like for verification.
Yep,
It will come back. It will come back.
that's fine. But I don't want to keep the credit card in my official account. So how do I remove? Is there any option?
You have to go to this thing, Outlook account, and there you will be able to, you have payment option. When you click on payment option, you will get your credit card, and then you can remove your credit card from there.
Outlook? No, I did not get. Actually, I have access in Azure in my official account.
Okay.
So
So you wanna use that one, not.
yeah, I have used by mistake. I used that one only. Actually, I
Okay,
created it.
wait. Now, you see, this is done, guys. We have created 4 machines. So if I go back to virtual machine here, So there are 4 machines: client 1, database, domain, and SCCM PS. These are all 4 virtual machines. They are running. Running means they are on at the moment. Okay. We have to, when we are done, we have to stop them. They are all in the same resource group, same location, right? And free trial. So now we are done with our session. What we have to do, we need to check all the boxes. Make sure you do this after every session. Otherwise, it with the credit what you got, it will keep on deducting, right? So we checked all these boxes and then we stop. Make sure you stop them. Okay. Shutting down will not help. If you shut down the computer, that will still occupy the RAM and processor. When you stop it, what will happen? Everything will get deallocated. Only hard disk will be left, but other things will get deallocated. Understood? And
Okay.
the other people can utilize those resources like the processor, motherboard, RAM from the
So
computer.
always stop. Always stop, right?
Always stop. Always stop. Once you are done with your session. Okay.
Yeah.
And tomorrow, when you join the session, before you join the session, check all the boxes and start. Okay.
Got it. But if I'm making my local machine, then I don't have to worry about that, right?
No. Then it's not. You don't have to worry about it. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is how it is in Azure. Now it's
Great.
stopping, right? Stopping. If I refresh, I should be able to see some deallocating. Yeah, see, it stopped, deallocated. So they
Okay.
are stopped now. So whatever the processor and RAM we are utilizing, they are freed up now.
Okay.
Somebody else can utilize those.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay, guys. So we are done with today's session. Ijaz, I would request you to send this to on SCCM on this one, the group chat on WhatsApp.
You can take control. You can do that, or you want me to?
Yeah, you can do that. Okay.
Okay.
Let me stop the recording.